this humidifier really isn't creating a whole lot of humidity. So I took a look down here, and the heating element was caked over with scale. So I'm going to descale it. Remove this stack by sliding this over, and remove this piece by sliding that over again. So there you can see, it's not horrible, but definitely a decent amount of scale there. So I've just got some plain distilled white vinegar. I'm going to fill this up. Just going to make sure that the heating element's covered. Alright, so the vinegar is all the way up to the top of the heating element, and I'm going to turn this on low. I'm going to set the timer for 5 minutes. You can see it's bubbling pretty good right now. So I went ahead and let this run for about 20 minutes. You can see a lot of the calcium got off, but there's still some deposits on there. So let me go ahead and dump this and see what it looks like. Okay, so here's the final product. I let it sit for about 20 minutes instead of 5. Definitely got most of the calcium off. There's some left, but it seems to be back up and running. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.